Purvi.
Hello Shivangi, how are you doing?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm also doing well. So can you please tell me what your favorite subject is?
Yes, actually, I like all the subjects, but nowadays my favorite is botany.
Oh really? What's so special about this subject?
Actually, we have a variety of plants about which we can know.
Oh really?
Yes.
So I guess our juniors can help us to know about the plants?
Yes, let's call them.
Okay, sure. Hello Amita, can you please help us?
Hello.
Can you please tell us about the plants?
Yeah, of course. The first plant is spider plant, and the name and the botanical name of this plant is Chlorophytum comosum.
Okay, so do you know what is its function?
Let me think. No, please can you tell me?
Okay, let me tell you that this type of plants are mainly used for air purifiers, and you must have seen these types of plants in many of the households.
Yeah.
Okay, moving forward.
Yeah. So the second plant is aloe vera, and the botanical name of this plant is Alobarbendices Miller.
Okay, so can you please tell me about its function?
Yeah, of course. It is used in medical purpose.
Oh, me too knowing about this plant. Okay, moving forward.
So the common name of this plant is rose, and the botanical name of this plant is rosa.
Okay, can you please tell me about its significance or how is it used?
Yeah, of course. It is my favorite plant, and it smells very nice.
Oh, that means you are knowing about the plants and you have a very good knowledge about them. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi Aradhya.
Hi.
Can you please tell me about these plants?
Yes, its common name is pencil. Its botanical name
Come closer.
is Euphorbia titanialis.
Okay, so do you know what are its functions?
No, can you tell me please?
Okay, let me tell you. These types of plants are mainly used to treatment of cough. Okay, moving forward.
So the next plant is China rose, and its botanical name is Hibiscus rosa sinensis.
So can you please tell me about its function?
Yes, it is used in hair treatment of loss.
Very nice. Moving forward.
Yes, the name is Croton, and its botanical name is Podium variegatum.
Okay, so can you please tell me about its function?
No, can you tell me please?
Okay, let me tell you. These type of plants are used to treat rheumatoid arthritis, cancer and gout problems. Thank you so much, Aradhya.
Thank you. Now let me introduce some more plants with the help of Agrima. Okay. Hello. Hi Agrima. So I want to tell you about this plant, and this common name is holy basil, and its botanical name is Ocimum sanctum. Very nice, Agrima. So do you know any features about this plant? No, let me. Can you tell me please? Okay, it's okay. I'll tell you. So this plant is helpful to cope up with stress. So now let's move forward. What about this plant? Its common name is rose bay, and its botanical name is Nerium oleander. Okay. So what about these features? Yes, I have studied that it is used for the waterfront views. Okay, very nice. You have a great knowledge about plants. So let's move forward. What about this plant? It's called the common name chrysanthemum, and its botanical name is chrysanthemum. So do you know anything about this plant? Not studied yet. You can tell me. Okay, so this is helpful in treating acute chest pain called angina. So let's move forward. What about this plant? So not the last but the least, it's called the creeping wood sorrel, also known as Oxalis corniculata. So, do you know about anything about this plant? No, you can tell me please. So, this is helpful to treat deficiency of vitamin C, due to which scurvy disease is caused. So, now let's move forward. Hi Simran. Hi. How are you? I'm fine. Okay. So, what is your favorite plant? My favorite plant name is Indian shot. Okay, tell me something about Indian shot. It is used for diarrhea and fever. Okay, very nice. You have a great knowledge. Wow, what a great day.
Really, Shivangi, thank you so much because of you and all my lovely juniors, I have come to know about all these plants and their functions. Now I think that botany is going to be my favorite subject also.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
My choice is best.
Stay tuned for upcoming knowledge updates.